Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, class 9th. I am Hamadur Rahman from Boys Senior Wing Model Town DPS Lahore. It's our third lecture of class 9th biology. First of all, what are the objectives of our today lecture? In today lecture, we will study about relationship of biology with other sciences. Now, relationship of biology to other sciences. Students, we know each branch of science has a relationship with all other branches. This forms the basis of interdisciplinary sciences like biophysics, biochemistry, biomathematics, biogeography, and bioeconomics, etc. For example, when we are studying movement in animal, it is just according to the laws of motion in physics. Students, as you are seeing clearly in animation, when we move in forward direction, we push the earth's surface in backward direction with the force. As a response, earth's surface also exerts same extent of force on our feet but in opposite direction. Due to this, we move in forward direction. So it is just according to the third law of motion, which is known as third law of motion in physics. First interdisciplinary branch is biophysics, in which two branches of sciences, biology and physics, interrelate with each other. According to definition, biophysics deals with the principles of physics which are applicable in biological phenomena. For example, similarity in working principle of lever in physics and the limbs of animals. In physics, a lever is a rigid body capable of rotation on a point on itself. The point of rotation is known as fulcrum, as it is represented in picture by AF. At one side of lever is load, which is represented as R in the picture, and on the other side force is applied to uplift the load. The force is represented by F. Like this, there are numerous levers in human body, like our elbow joint. Now, if we want to uplift a weight, then weight is a load, and then joint is known as the fulcrum, and force is provided by our biceps muscle. So our arms and our limbs work as same principle as lever in physics. Second interdisciplinary branch is biochemistry, in which two branches of science, biology and chemistry, interrelate with each other. According to definition, biochemistry deals with the chemistry of different compound and process in living organisms. For example, cellular respiration and photosynthesis in plants. Students, you are already familiar with photosynthesis in plants. Photosynthesis is a food formation process in plants. In this process, plants make food by the reaction of CO2 in carbon dioxide and H2O in the presence of chlorophyll and sunlight. As a result, glucose is formed and O2 is also formed as a byproduct. Cellular respiration is also a biochemical reaction in which simplest form of food, that is glucose, is converted into carbon dioxide and water. By this reaction, energy is produced in the form of ATP. Site of cellular respiration in cell is mitochondria. Third interdisciplinary branch is biomathematics or biometry, in which two branches of sciences, biology and mathematics, interlink with each other. According to definition, biomathematics deals with the using of mathematical tools in biological process. For example, calculation of data during biological experiments. Fourth interdisciplinary branch is biogeography, in which biology and geography interlink with each other. According to definition, biogeography deals with the distribution of living organisms in different geographical regions or areas. For example, animals change their body shape or body structures due to difference in environment or availability of food in different environment. As you are seeing in the picture, there are different types of finch due to their beak shape. Finch is a form of sparrow. This difference in beak shape is due to different type environment and availability of different food like nectar of flower and insect or both. Insects are present under the bark or above the bark. So there are different types of beaks in different finches for their food. Fifth interdisciplinary branch is bioeconomics, in which two branches of sciences, biology and economics, interlink with each other. According to definition, bioeconomics deals with the study of organisms from economical point of view. For example, calculation of cost and profit value of yield of wheat.